I step in the tub, it's warm and wide. Rubber duckies floating by my side. The bubbles rise and giggles start. It's time to scrub each little part. I wash my neck with a splash and spin. The water drips right down my chin. I soap my shoulders front and back, then trace a circle like a bubble track. I scrub my belly round and round. Tiny suds fall to the ground. I wash my legs from knee to toe. They wiggle, dance, and steal the show. I clean my feet one by one. They're slippery now, but it's so fun. I rinse my arms and give a cheer. Bath time magic is finally here. Now all clean from head to heel. I shake like a puppy. It's part of the deal. Wrapped in a towel, cozy and dry. Bye bye tub, it's time to say goodbye.